What's going on, you guys? It is RJ. We are back with Nona. We've got Honk with an exclamation point. They also released a dance video in the time that this has been released, so we'll also be checking that out as well. Let's go. I saw there's an album coming out, their debut album, September 18th, Island Girl. It's about damn time. I'm excited for it, to see exactly what we're gonna get from them. So, music video, Honk. Let's go.
Look at me, look at her. Pics in the rearview mirror. Put him up, posted. Buckle up out of here. Yeah, we in the backseat, hit the gas, we turn it up. Yeah.
Nice.
Get in the taxi, never pass me. Ready, set, go.
Ooh. The way they've incorporated this horn. Now the hair flipping. How did she do that? What? I love the way they shot this. A lot of ass shaking. Jeez. Oh, Esther's voice. Gorgeous. 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 What do they say? Hey! But the break the back again. Oh, these little glamour shots, they're just so gorgeous. The slow motion hair flipping. I'm loving Chrissy's bangs. Nice. That's the end. You know what? I was ready to scream at this song for being 2 minutes and 15 seconds long because I saw that at the beginning. I wasn't going to comment on it, but I saw it and we were about to have a problem. But you know what? It's fine. I mean, it's not fine. It definitely could be longer, but for what type of song this is and how it went, I think it's okay. Like I don't think this was meant to do much other than be fun, flirty, and shake some ass. Like, mission was accomplished. Like I mean, this wasn't like a flex your vocals type of thing or something like that. Like this gave performance type vibe too, which we also have the dance video to check out. So in that case, you know, and the song is called Honk. So I actually wasn't sure what they were saying in the chorus. So I'm excited to watch this or watch the dance video because I didn't hear it clearly. But they look amazing. They look and sound amazing. The dancing is also fun. So let's go to that. Funny that this is a little bit longer than the actual music video. Oh, because we have fluff at the beginning. I like the outfits.
Look at me, look at her. Pics in the rearview mirror. Put him up, posted. Buckle up out of here. Yeah, we in the backseat, hit the gas, we turn it up. Yeah, get in the taxi, never pass me. Ready, set, go.
I like what they did with that honk though, that horn. Oh, nice. Now wait, how did she do that? It looked like in the video before she did it on her knees, but I think she just kind of... Oh, she did! Okay. Make it bounce. beat of this is fun. N-O-N-A on your license plate. Oh, that was nice. Ooh. You know I love the performing with the face. Yeah, this gives like fun, flirty, and shake some ass, like I said. Nice. Like you perform this at like a Lollapalooza or something like that, it's gonna be super fun. I also like how extended this ending is because it feels like an outro. The silver man over here in the corner caught my attention. Hey, oh, this is a little bit longer than, oh, I don't know anymore. That just felt extra long there. Oh, there's more than one silver man. Back on the bus, we gotta go. That's fun. Like I said, mission accomplished. I think this song was a good time. I feel like I would put this on the playlist too, just because it would be fun to listen to. But I think more than anything, I'm really excited to hear this album. Cause I mean, like we've been on an interesting journey with this group, like from where we began to where we are now. I'm so curious what the sound is going to be and what kind of vibe we're going to go for. Are we really going to go for kind of super party? Are we going to go back, like, is it going to be a mixture of that between their earlier sound with the very like kind of soft, elegant approach? Like, I don't know. It would be nice to get both of those because like, I really love where they began, but I also love what they're doing now because like we get a lot of dancing. The first one didn't offer as much dance, at least the kind of dancing we're getting now. So it's cool to see all these different sides of this group. But this album is going to be very interesting to listen to, I'm sure. I wonder how many songs it's going to be. They haven't listed that, I haven't seen. But thanks for hanging out with me here, you guys, and I will see you on the next video. Later.